Howdy, partners. For your safety, remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train, and be sure to watch your kids. If any of you folks are wearing hats or glasses, best remove them, because this here's the wildest ride in the wilderness.
Hear the legend of Thunder Mountain. If you're weak of heart, then stay away from the Thunder Mountain Railroad. Thunder Mountain Railroad on the way. Said as the legend has it, on one foggy night in June, the train and crew pulled out at 12 beneath the darkened moon. The boiler full of water and the tinder full of coal. The whistle screamed a warning as the wheels began to roll. Then like a bucking bronco with a cougar on its back, the train began to run away down miles of mountain track. What happened to the crew that night no one has ever learned. The train pulled in all by itself. The men did not return. Hear the legend of Thunder Mountain. If you're weak of heart, then stay away. Don't take Thunder Mountain Railroad. Thunder Mountain Railroad ran away. The history of Big Thunder continues to unfold. The stories of its danger continue to be told. Of avalanches, rattlesnakes, and earthquakes in the night, and voices of that phantom crew that chill your blood with pride. Hear the legend of Thunder Mountain. If you're weak of heart, then stay away from Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. Thunder Mountain Railroad.